As you can tell, I have batteries on my head. I'm getting ready. It's 1:13 p.m. and today I'm going with my daughter, Ria Jade. She's been invited by Vancouver Fashion Week as an influencer and she has me for her guest. I'm putting on my makeup and as you can tell, I have some glitters because it's at night and of course it's Vancouver Fashion Week. So here we go. Stay put right there. Grab a drink. Grab your favorite snacks. Oh, by the way, I'm Jackie D and my goal is to help you build your self-esteem, make you feel good about yourself, make you find ways to be better, whether it's makeup or skincare or mental health or fashion or dance or clothes or just plain exercise and living healthy. That's my goal, and I hope that through my videos you get to find something that excites you and entertains you and inspires you to be a better person. I know that you're already the best. You're already the best and you're fabulous and you're wonderful, but you can still be more fabulous. Promise. I don't put liquid eyeliner here anymore at the bottom. I used to, but then my daughter says, "Mom, you look so fierce." Fierce. Like an omen. Now for my mascara. This is Wow. You know, I hold on to my makeup as long as I can, as long as they have not expired, especially if they're nice. Vancouver Fashion, I think it runs for a week. It runs for a week, and my daughter got an invite, of course, to be there every day because she's an influencer. She got invited as an influencer, and so I'm her guest tonight. I don't really have much lashes, as you can tell. I have melasma. Now you can tell. But see, my hyperpigmentation has improved because of all the things I'm putting on. I had 2 sessions of micro bleeding, micro needling, my castor oil, my sunblock, my papaya peel. I also put vitamin C to whiten, and my girl gave me this toner that actually lightens melasma. I haven't started it yet because I still have this toner, which I think works. I hope you're enjoying this episode. It's just so much fun. I just want to involve you in what I'm doing. And I'm drinking coffee, by the way. I need coffee every time. I'm going to darken my brows, okay? And smile. Now for the lip gloss. I put lipstick. This one is like glitter. Well, it's evening, so I'm going to try this one. See? Built-in glitter. Oh my gosh. Just the glitter alone is already so good. What do you think? You see this one? This is not lipstick. This is for my gray roots. You know, my gray hair, my balding hair, my thinning hair. This is my biggest source of insecurity. You know, I think that we women, we have to love ourselves. I always say love ourselves, and one source of my confidence is when I know that my hair is nicely done. Sometimes my roots show, what can I do? But if I'm aware of it, then I try to cover my roots, right? See, I'm balding here. I talk about it, but you know, if I can fix it, I'll fix it, because that's how I become more confident. Like, the goal is to be confident. So like you, if you want to put false eyelashes, for example, to make you feel confident, by all means, girl, do it. But otherwise, it's always a preference. Whatever you want to do to yourself so that you look better, so that you feel good about yourself, then do it. Especially because it's a special event today. I'm so excited. Okay. Yes. I am meeting my daughter in an hour, and then we're going to get ready for Vancouver Fashion Week. I think I'm going to wear this. I'm gonna wear my favorite perfume because it's a special event. I use this most of the time because this is my favorite, and I've been wearing Chanel No. 5 since I was 19 years old. Talk about loyalty. When I go to sleep, sometimes I like to put perfume. Ready for Vancouver Fashion Week? Yes! I'm in the apartment of my daughter and we are getting ready for Vancouver Fashion Week. I finally decided to wear this. It's chic. My daughter and I are resting after an amazing Vancouver Fashion Week night. I had a lot of fun. I'm home now. It was an amazing night and I'm tired but very, very happy about the show. And I just made my coffee. I'm having a nightcap. Right now I'm thinking, I'm gonna make this into a video so that if you're not from Vancouver, you can experience a little about Vancouver Fashion Week, how it goes, and the young designers who are up and coming and who are just so talented. I hope you enjoy the video. If you're finding this awesome, don't forget to give it a like, share, and comment. I am sleepy, but I thought I should finish this episode. It's been a good night. And I will see you next video. Don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms, Instagram at @TheRealD, TikTok at @TheRealD, and my Facebook page, Building Self-Esteem on Social Media. And of course, if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to this channel. Take care. Bye for now.